This question says fibrous roots originate from. Fibrous roots originate from the base of the stem. The taproot arises from radicle, and this forms initially the primary root, and the primary root forms the lateral branches. The lateral roots, they arise from the pericycle. So the correct option for the given question is option C, that is base of the stem. Let's move to the next question. This question says substrate level phosphorylation is. So what is substrate level phosphorylation? Phosphorylation is ATP synthesis, and substrate level phosphorylation says direct ATP synthesis. So this ATP synthesis takes place directly in the form of ATP only. NADPH2, NADH2 or FADH2 are not synthesized in case of substrate level phosphorylation. So the correct option for the given question is option number B, which is direct ATP synthesis. Let's move to the next question. This question is asking that father of genetics is. Father of genetics is Mendel, undoubtedly. What about the other scientists? What are their contributions? Sutton and Boveri together proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance. And that chromosomal theory of inheritance was experimentally verified by Morgan. So the correct option for the given question is option D, that is Mendel. Let's move to the next question. This question says plasmolysis occurs when a plant cell is placed in a solution that is isotonic to the protoplasm. If a plant cell is placed in a solution that is isotonic to the protoplasm, then plasmolysis will not occur. In a solution that is hypertonic to the protoplasm, yes, this is correct. Why? Because plasmolysis is a condition when a plant cell is placed in the hypertonic solution, the water from the plant cell comes out, it will shrink and the cell will be plasmolyzed. So this is the correct one. C, in a solution that is hypotonic to the protoplasm, no, in this condition the cell will be turgid, will be swollen as water will move from solution to the cell. In pure water, no, this is a condition of deplasmolysis as same that of C. So the correct option for the given question is B, that is in a solution that is hypertonic to the protoplasm. Let's pick up the next question. This question says select the incorrect statement about RuBisco. It is the most abundant enzyme. True. B, it has much greater affinity for CO2 than for O2. Yes, RuBisco is the enzyme which shows carboxylase as well as oxygenase activity. It can catalyze the reaction if RuBP binds with either CO2 or O2. Now see, in C3 plants, some O2 does bind to RuBisco. Yes, and this process is called photorespiration. D, RuBP combines with O2 to form 3 molecules of 3-PGA. This reaction is also catalyzed by RuBisco. When RuBP combines with O2, it forms 2 molecules of 3-PGA, not 3 molecules of PGA. During the Calvin cycle, when RuBP combines with CO2, then it leads to the formation of 3 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid, not in case of photorespiration, because this equation summarizes that this is the equation for photorespiration. So the correct option for the given question is option D, as this is the incorrect statement about the RuBisco. Let's move to the next question.